Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for expert home and landscape design advice. Today, we delve into a design concept that seamlessly blends the functionality of an outdoor kitchen with the architectural elegance of a pergola, the Pergola outdoor kitchen design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. This sophisticated approach not only expands your living space but also creates a captivating focal point in your backyard, perfect for culinary adventures and memorable outdoor gatherings. Let's explore the intricacies of this design and how you can create your own stunning outdoor haven. To begin, let us define what exactly constitutes a pergola outdoor kitchen design. At its core, this design integrates a fully functional outdoor kitchen setup beneath or adjacent to a pergola structure. A pergola, traditionally an open-roofed structure supported by columns or posts, offers a degree of shelter and definition to the outdoor space. When combined with kitchen elements such as countertops, cooking appliances, grills, ovens, cooktops, sinks, refrigeration, and storage solutions, it transforms a simple outdoor area into a dedicated culinary and entertaining zone. The pergola can act as a partial roof, offering shade and a sense of enclosure, while still maintaining an open-air ambience. The design often considers the flow between the kitchen components and any adjacent dining or lounging areas, ensuring a cohesive and functional outdoor living experience. Now, let's consider the numerous advantages of incorporating a pergola into your outdoor kitchen design. Firstly, a pergola provides a defined space for your outdoor kitchen, visually separating it from other areas of your yard, such as gardens or play areas. This creates a sense of purpose and intentional design. Secondly, while not a complete roof, a pergola offers partial protection from the elements. It can provide shade on sunny days, making cooking and dining outdoors more comfortable. Depending on the pergola's design and any additional coverings, it can also offer some protection from light rain. Beyond practical benefits, a pergola significantly enhances the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. Its architectural structure adds visual interest, creating a focal point and a sense of grandeur. The vertical elements of the posts and the horizontal or latticed roof create a framework that can be further enhanced with climbing plants, lighting fixtures, and decorative elements. Furthermore, a pergola can increase the value of your property by adding a desirable and functional outdoor living area. It extends your entertaining capabilities, allowing you to host larger gatherings and enjoy the outdoors in a comfortable and stylish setting. Finally, having a dedicated outdoor kitchen encourages more time spent outdoors, fostering a connection with nature and enhancing your overall lifestyle. How do I decorate my pergola outdoor kitchen design to look good? Achieving an aesthetically pleasing pergola outdoor kitchen design involves careful consideration of various decorative elements. Begin by thinking about the overall style you wish to achieve, perhaps rustic, modern, Mediterranean, or coastal. The materials you choose for your countertops, flooring, if applicable, and the pergola itself will contribute significantly to this style. Incorporate outdoor-friendly textiles such as cushions, rugs, and throws in colors and patterns that complement your chosen aesthetic. Introduce greenery through potted plants, hanging baskets, or climbing vines trained to grow on the pergola structure. This adds life, color, and a touch of nature to the space. Consider the lighting design carefully. String lights draped across the pergola create a warm and inviting ambience for evening gatherings. Incorporate task lighting above countertops and cooking areas for functionality. Decorative lanterns or wall sconces can further enhance the visual appeal. Accessorize with outdoor-appropriate decor items such as servingware, decorative bowls, and artwork designed for outdoor use. Consider adding a focal point, such as an outdoor rug under a dining area or a statement piece of outdoor art. Finally, ensure that the decor is cohesive with the surrounding landscape and your home's exterior, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Regular maintenance and cleaning will also be crucial in keeping your pergola outdoor kitchen looking its best. What the best items for pergola outdoor kitchen design? Selecting the right items is crucial for both the functionality and longevity of your pergola outdoor kitchen. Durable and weather-resistant materials are paramount. For countertops, consider options like granite, concrete, stainless steel, or certain types of outdoor-rated tile. These materials can withstand exposure to the elements and are easy to clean. High-quality outdoor-rated appliances are essential. This includes a grill suitable for your cooking needs, gas, charcoal, or electric, and potentially a side burner, outdoor oven, or smoker. Consider a weatherproof outdoor refrigerator or beverage center to keep drinks and perishable items cold. A sink with hot and cold running water is a significant convenience for food preparation and cleanup. Ample storage is vital to keep your outdoor kitchen organized. Opt for weatherproof cabinets and drawers made from materials like stainless steel, marine-grade polymer, or treated wood. Consider including pull-out trash and recycling bins for easy waste disposal. Comfortable and durable outdoor furniture, such as dining tables and chairs or bar stools, are necessary for enjoying meals outdoors. Finally, don't forget essential accessories like grilling tools, serving utensils, outdoor dinnerware, and glassware, all chosen for their durability and suitability for outdoor use. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 inspiring pergola outdoor kitchen design ideas to spark your creativity. One, rustic stone retreat. Imagine a sturdy wooden pergola supported by natural stone pillars, housing a built-in grill with a stone veneer surround, a reclaimed wood countertop, and cast iron accents. Lush greenery climbs the pergola, creating a charming, old-world feel. 2. Sleek modern oasis. A minimalist metal pergola with clean lines shelters a stainless steel grill, a smooth concrete countertop with an integrated sink, and handleless cabinetry. Modern outdoor bar stools provide seating for a contemporary and sophisticated look. 3. Mediterranean charm. A whitewashed pergola draped with flowering vines overlooks a tiled countertop with colorful ceramic accents. A wood-fired pizza oven takes center stage, complemented by rustic wooden shelving for storing terracotta serving dishes. 4. Coastal breeze kitchen. A light and airy pergola with nautical rope detailing provides shade for a blue-tone tile countertop, a built-in gas grill, and wicker bar stools. Seashell-inspired decor and potted palms enhance the relaxed coastal vibe. 5. Compact corner kitchen. Perfect for smaller spaces, this design features a pergola built into a corner of the patio, housing a compact grill, a small countertop area with a sink, and vertical storage solutions to maximize efficiency. 6. Island integration. A pergola extends over a central kitchen island featuring a grill, sink, and prep area. Surrounding the island are comfortable outdoor lounge chairs, creating a social and interactive cooking and gathering space. 7. Covered culinary haven. While still featuring a pergola structure, this design incorporates a partial solid roof section for added protection from the elements, allowing for year-round use. The kitchen includes a full suite of appliances and ample counter space. 8. Biophilic backyard kitchen. A natural wood pergola is heavily planted with climbing vines and hanging baskets, creating a lush and integrated feel with the surrounding garden. The kitchen features natural stone countertops and earthy-toned accessories. 9. Entertainer's delight. A large pergola covers an extensive outdoor kitchen with multiple cooking zones, including a grill, smoker, and even a wine refrigerator. A long outdoor dining table beneath the pergola is perfect for hosting large gatherings. 10. Backlit beauty. This design focuses on evening ambience with integrated LED lighting within the pergola structure, illuminating the kitchen area and creating a dramatic effect. Sleek countertops and modern appliances complete the sophisticated look. The pergola outdoor kitchen design represents a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, transforming your backyard into an extension of your living space and a haven for outdoor culinary experiences. By carefully considering the design principles, selecting durable materials, and incorporating your personal style through thoughtful decoration, you can create an outdoor kitchen that not only meets your practical needs but also enhances the beauty and enjoyment of your outdoor environment. We hope this comprehensive guide has inspired you to consider the possibilities of a pergola outdoor kitchen design for your home. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more insightful design ideas and tips. Share your thoughts and any questions you have in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.